This question related to quiz 2 16th March 2025 question paper. So the weighted moving average, WMA means the weighted moving average, is used to smooth. This weighted moving average is used to smooth the data given by giving more importance to recent values. Suppose we compute a weighted moving average for a sequence of gradient values using the formula, that is Vt equals to beta times Vt minus 1 plus 1 minus beta times delta Wt. So Vt is the weighted moving average at time step t. So t is time step at a time step, and V is weighted moving average. So you calculate the weighted moving average for a sequence of gradient values using this formula. So delta Wt, this value is the gradient value at a time step t, and V minus 1 is 0, that is previous value, that is initial value. Previous or initial value is 0. If the gradient values at t equals to 0, 1, 2 or delta Wt 5 these are the gradient values at time step t equals to 0, 2 are given. Compute V2. This is important. Enter the answer up to 3 decimal. So gradient values are given at t equals to 0, 1, 2. So at t equals to 0, delta W0, delta W1, this is the gradient, delta W2. Delta W means derivative of the weight vector at the time step t equals to 0, 1, 2. So derivative of the weight vector is called the gradient. Partial derivative is called the gradient. So delta W0 is given 5, 3 and 4. These values are given in the question. Compute V2, that is weighted moving average, WMA, weighted moving average at time step t equals to 2. They are asking to calculate, using this formula 2, that is t equals to 2. Here put to t equals to 2. So that is beta times V2 minus 1 plus 1 minus beta times delta W t equal to 2. That is V2 equals to, beta is given, right? Beta equals to 0.9. This value 0.9 times V2 minus 1, that is V1 plus 1 minus 0.9 times delta W2, that is 0.9 times V1 plus 1 minus 0.9 is 0.1 times delta W2 is 4, this value times 4, that equals to 0.9 V1 plus 0.4. So this value is V2. This is the first equation. V1, right? We want to find V1. So put t equals to 1 in this equation. That is V1 equals to beta times V1, t equals to 1, 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus beta times delta W1. So that is V1 equals to, beta equals to 0.9 times V0 plus 1 minus beta is 0.1 times delta W1 is, so this value 3. That equals to V1 equals to 0.9 V0 plus 0.3. So we don't know. This is the equation number 2. and we don't know V naught. So V naught, put t equals to 0 in the above given equation. That is V naught equals to 0.9 V t minus 1. That is 0 minus 1 plus 1 minus 0.9, beta equals to 0.9 times delta W t equals to 0 t naught. That is 0.9 V minus 1 plus 0.1 times delta W naught is given 5. That equals to 0.9 times V minus 1 plus 0.5, 3. We know V minus 1. Initial value is 0 given in the question. So that is V naught equals to, V minus 1 is 0. This value becomes 0 plus 0.5. That is V naught equals to 0.5. Right? Or 2. That is V1 equals to 0.9 times 0.5 plus 0.3. That equals to 9 4s are 45. That is 0.45 plus 0.3. That equals to 0.75. This value is V1. Put this value in equation number 1. So in this, so that is V2 equals to 0.9 V1 plus 0.4. 0.9 V1 plus 0.4, that equals to 0.9 times V1 equals to 0.75 plus 0.4, that equals to 1.075. So they are asking in the question, find value of V2. Its value is 1.075. So this is the answer for this question. So the answer is 0.652 to 1.085. Okay friends, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel.